Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is spoken English lesson number 11. In this lesson, we are going to learn English through a simple story. This simple story will revise everything we learn in lesson number 1 to 10. So, listen carefully. The story. Soham is a college student. He wants to speak fluent English or spoken English. Earlier, he used to feel nervous while speaking. Soham could understand English, but he could feel nervous while speaking, or he feel low confidence while speaking. One day, his friend Raman said to him, Soham, if you want to speak fluent English or better English, you should practice daily. Then Soham replied, Yes, you are absolutely right. And Soham decided to practice daily, and and after then he practiced every day. Now Soham wakes up early in the morning, and usually he read 20 minutes English, and after then practice in front of the mirror. First he made many mistakes while speaking, but it's okay. He told himself that I am practice or I am learning English, not failing. Earlier Soham used to watch movie for fun, but after start he learning English or spoken English, that time he watch English movie for learning pronunciation. When he was child, that time he feel nervous or shy, but after practicing he become confident. One night Soham felt very tired and he lay down, and after lay down he asleep. He did not sleep well that night. After next night, when he wake up, that he did not feel good, but he bought one book and practice or try to write something on that book. In that book he said to himself that this book is new and my English journey is also new. Like as this, in class, teacher asked Soham that, can you give this question's answer? Soham replied, could you could you repeat this question again? All class was surprised by his confidence. After then, his friend asked him for tea. Soham, would you like some tea? Then Soham replied, Yes, I would love it. Thank you. Soham realized one important thing, that making mistakes is a part of learning, and don't afraid while speaking. And also he realized that every day's practice make you better, not perfect. And he also understood that learning English or speaking English not improve in one day, but daily practice makes it better. So practice daily. Today Soham speak confidently and fluently, not perfectly. And also he realized one thing, that practice makes not perfect but better. If you practice daily or take efforts for speaking, you speak better and also gain confidence while speaking. So friend, in this lesson, Soham learn English or speak English by his daily practicing, and you can too improve your English by practicing daily practicing. Can you? So friend, in this lesson we learn such as use should for advice. If you want to give someone advice, that time use should. And if you want show possibility, that time use could. And also if you want show polite offers or imagination, that time you should use would. Practice daily habits and confusing words, and also practice tenses. If you want to speak fluently, then practice daily some simple sentences, and also about such things such as should, would, and could also. So friend, this is all for today's lesson. If you like this video or like this lesson, then don't forget for like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.